Welcome to Springer D. Today I'm going to demonstrate the use and installation of our Springer D automatic door closer. We also have a Springer D automatic door opener. The tools you'll need are a hammer, a screwdriver, and possibly a nail to loosen this pin from the hinge. Now, once you have the pin, slide it into the Springer D, start the pin, lower the Springer D down, and a couple of taps, and it's installed. Now, let's see how it works. Now, for larger doors, you can put one on each hinge. Those are for those big front doors that weigh 150, 200 pounds. For purchase information, come to springerd.com. Thank you.